All right, Trevor here to personally welcome you to our July 13th plot hop. It goes from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and we want everyone to come out and enjoy the awesome event. We're gonna have a star-studded lineup of speakers. We have Ken Coles. He's gonna be talking about barley yields and don't let your barley down. We have Dr. Linda Gorham talking about bumping your nitrogen game. Dr. Trevor Deering talking about growing between the rows. And we have Dr. Charles Geddes talking about TKO for herbicide resistance. And we have Alejandra going to be talking about fusarium head blight. So should be awesome speakers and an awesome day. Hopefully we have better weather than our last two events, but should be awesome. And I will be talking about our rolling cereals trial that we've been conducting over the last 4 years, and talking about how you can, or what time to best roll your barley or your wheat for silage production. As we can see here, we're out of the one trial here in Lethbridge, and we have 2 node stage rolling timing and an untreated rolling timing, and we can see clear visual difference in the height. So this one is a lot smaller, and there might be lots of other data hopefully that we can share with you to help understand when is the best time to roll your barley. But you're gonna have to come to the event and learn all about it. We look forward to seeing you. Take care.